This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus versus the UMi Z, a battle between two budget smartphones. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background, so let's get started with the messaging app. There you go. Camera on both phones. The calculator. Oops. The clock on both. There you go. Play Store. Okay, about the same. Go ahead and click on this one. Leave it there. eBay on both. Ooh, very similar. Click on this. Chair. Pretty interesting. Amazon shopping. Woo! About the same. Click on the deal of the day. Leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Ooh, very close. The speed test app. Which one's gonna come out on front? And the UMi Z, a little bit faster. Click on settings, make sure we're on the same server, and we are. Go ahead and start with the UMi Z. You speed test a little bit faster on the right. Mario Run. Both are loading right now. And the UMi Z, a little bit faster. Tap to begin on both. Leave it right there. Angry Birds 2. UMi Z logging in. And the UMi Z is way out in front. Will the Xiaomi catch up? Nope. UMi Z will take this game. Subway Surf. Loading on both, and the UMi Z way out in front. Go ahead and tap to play on this. And leave it there, do the same thing on the Redmi 5 Plus. Temple Run 2. UMi Z is loading. And the UMi Z, once again, is out in front. Tap to play. Stop the game and do the same thing on the left. There you go. Twitter on both phones. There you go. And Snapchat, a little bit faster on the right. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Twitter. There you go, ready to tweet. Temple Run 2. Still in RAM on both phones. Subway Surf. Ready to resume on both devices. Angry Birds 2. Ready to go here on the right, and we have a reload here on the Redmi 5 Plus. Now on a side note, Redmi 5 Plus, this is the 3GB of RAM variant. UMi Z, this one has 4. Mario Run. Here we go, another reload on the left, and the UMi Z is continuing where we left it off. Speed test app. And ready to go on the right, and another reload here on the 5 Plus. Adobe Acrobat Reader. There you go, still in RAM, and a little bit of a stutter here on the left. Amazon shopping, ready to go here on the right, and on the left, a little bit of a stutter. eBay on both phones again, and right on the chair, Same thing here on the left, a little bit of a delay though. The Play Store app on both, and complete reload here on the Redmi 5 Plus. Ready to go here on the UMi Z. Clock, there you go. The calculator on both. Right there, the camera. There you have it. I think it was a little delay on the left. And the messaging app. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you a fan of Xiaomi phones? Do you like the Mi Mix, the Mi Mix 2S that's coming up? Their new bezel-less phone, which would be pretty cool. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.